So Dr. Scotty has been talking about fuel filter. Ready to tell you lefty-loosey, bud.
Yeah. Well, that's what happens when you get old. You make it tight as much as you can, and hopefully it never comes loose.
Yeah. So, our filters are different. You're getting at.
Well, I'm thinking, because it's like I said, it's been a while since I've worked on this style filter setup, which I love. I think they're amazing. I really do. I think they're beautiful, actually.
Yeah, it's a work of art. Work of art. Art, I tell you. Ooh, there you go. El Kabong.
Ding, fries are done.
It's my line.
So, that being said,
Scotty. Dr. Scotty.
okay.
Freelance. Your hose don't want to get off.
I know.
You don't love them hose.
Don't love them, no.
There we go. All right, so Scotty's pulling the bowl.
And we'll show everybody as soon as I get it off.
Most people in my age group are packing bowls. Bunch of
Even my age group,
lazy stoner flunkies.
Okay, let's put this here.
Yeah, don't drop the bowl.
I'm gonna go here and here.
Okay, we got our lines
So it's
up.
not...
It's filling, but it's like really slow. You can watch it just barely trickle in. Oh, this car. All right.
Because this is our vacuum.
Because that's for vent for when you have the air on. Here, blow the actual thing. I see.
Okay.
Blow on the inlet.
Let me show you first.
Ooh. You're going to show it before you blow it?
Betcha I could throw her and blow her before you could suck her and fuck her.
Oh, damn.
Okay, give me free hand.
Free hand.
There's our brand new filter, which is perfect.
Nice.
Ready?
Oh, that's not good.
I'm wondering...
If that needs to come out because now it's blocking itself.
Correct. So,
Ah, Scotty.
I want to take it out gently, just to be on the safe side.
Fuck her softly.
Yes, fuck her softly. Okay, so we're going to pause just for a moment.
Pause!